But those are small learnings that have built us as a foundation for us. And coming to TTC, there was no training placement cell. നമുക്ക് ഒരു റെഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പോകേണ്ട എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്നൊക്കെ. I think I remember that first batch, they said that all members, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ all students are the training placement cell members. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും കാണുന്ന എല്ലാ കമ്പനീസിൽ പോയിട്ട് അപ്രോച്ച് ചെയ്യുക, ഇത് ചെയ്യുക എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞു. When it came to the second batch, I don't know, teacher, if you remember, Abby Philip, Abby Philip, Manny, Aju Paul, they thought that we need to structure this. In TPC cell, we structure it. We created a core team. We had Abby, Annie, Aju from that batch, and from our batch, me, Jijo, Anna, we all came together. We structured it. We said that we'll have a core team. Or a vision on our vision is to get everyone placed, because that was the intent, like everyone to get jobs. There were steps like College of Engineering Chenganur Etravel career. I mean, like at that time, I don't think many companies knew about this college. But that was the first step, to brand CEC as a college. The thing what we did was that, if you remember, Tantri Sir, our team, Tantri Sir, we were literally doing shop-to-shop sales. We all companies at least a authority figure കാണണം. അതായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ vision. അപ്പോൾ അത് കാണാൻ brand our college there, place the college memory. I mean, what we are, what we have. And the AS400 was the USP that we used. We were the only college that had AS400. Market chase. Then the next step was that bring the companies here, do at least one placement. And if you remember, Wipro wasn't there. We all wrote and we placed only one person. But that was a success. That was the step towards the training and placement cell. Thereafter we had TCS, then IBS came in. IBS was the first company which done a bulk recruitment. And I was one of them. Anna was also one of them. I think we created and generated that training and placement cell. I think there is a lot of structure in place. There's a lot of you should be using the Alumni a lot. I don't mean, of course, Madhusan sir, I think Ashokum, എല്ലാവരും വന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ അലുമിനി ലൈവ് ആക്കണം എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. പക്ഷെ I think that initiative should come from the students. Students should take that passion, come towards us, create that excitement within all of us, saying that okay, we should come and do this. Another thing you can do is, at that time, training and placements, the only objective was to get jobs. But now there are a lot of opportunity. You can do startup. I mean, there are a lot of juniors who have been successful in doing startup companies. You could evolve this into an entrepreneurship kind of a program. You can come and pitch your ideas. I'm sure a lot of people would have ideas. Come and pitch your ideas. There would be people to invest. Angana oru thought would training and placement and general. Nothing much memories, lot of memories from College of Engineering. We are happy to be 25 years in Takarna, and happy to see teachers coming and participating in our program. Fashion of course, a lot of learnings from this college and has built us so far. Thank you.